guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ruby Red. Today's video is going to be a Pretty Little Thing sport try-on haul. So for the very first time, I've gotten my hands on a few activewear pieces from Pretty Little Thing. They seem to be a hot commodity, and every time I've tried to buy a full set from Pretty Little Thing, it's kind of been hard to get. They've been sold out. So I finally got my hands on some. So for today's video, we have an all gray activewear set, an all black activewear set. This one has long sleeves. And then we also have a couple of activewear jumpsuits. So the first one is just an all pink. It kind of has like this scrunch back, so I'm excited to try this one on. And last but not least, you have the PLT Sport black jumpsuit, and it kind of has these strap details in the back. While I was shopping for this haul, I found a way to get real money back while shopping online for pretty much everything. I purchase clothing online a lot anyways, and it's always great to be smart about your spending as well as getting cash back for it. So I discovered Letty Shop's cash back, which helped me to actually get money back from this haul. And it's super easy and simple, so I'm gonna show you just real quick how exactly it works. Letty Shops is a cashback service that works with more than 2,000 online retailers worldwide, where you can get up to 30% of your money back on online purchases. Letty Shops partners with shops in different categories of goods and services on most of the things that you could buy online, including Macy's, Walmart, Best Buy, Microsoft, Etsy, Nike, Home Depot, Sephora, AliExpress, and even Pretty Little Thing. Once your order is approved by the shop, you can get your payout anytime to PayPal, and there's no minimum payout sum. You can withdraw as little as $1. So I'll leave a link to Letty Shop in the caption below if you'd like to check it out and see if you can get cash back on the things that you buy online already. So let's jump on in and see how these Pretty Little Thing activewear pieces fit. So this is the Pretty Little Thing Sport Seamless Contour Legging with the matching seamless crop top. And both of them are in a light gray, and they kind of have this light gray kind of detail in stripes that goes kind of all over. It also says PLT Sport on both the legging as well as the top. So I will say that this outfit definitely has that kind of contouring feature. I can tell where it kind of cinches in my waistline with both the legging as well as with the top. So that was definitely impressive. I love the kind of striping detail along the side as well as on kind of like the shoulders of the top. I do think it is a super cute outfit, and I cannot wait to wear this to the gym. It does appear to be a little bit see-through. I can always tell if I can see my tattoo through any kind of leggings, so beware of that. This outfit did stretch out a whole lot to fit my body. It was not hard at all to get into these leggings or this top. They stretched out just enough, and probably could have stretched out even more. So if you're worried about how these fit, I'd say that you shouldn't be worried at all because they fit me super well, and I'm just excited to try them out in the gym. So this is the Pretty Little Thing Black Contour Seamless Legging and the Seamless Contour Long Sleeve Top in black. Again, we have this kind of white stripe detail. These leggings are different. They have a different kind of pattern on them. And then of course, this top has the long sleeves, and it does have a different kind of striping detail. PLT Sport is only available on the top in this set. There's definitely a contouring feature, especially in the waistline of this set. So I absolutely love that feature when it comes to these leggings. I will say with both of these leggings that they are a little bit longer which is totally fine and something I'm used to. I am short, I'm only 5'4", so the leggings will definitely fit if you are taller. You'll definitely have enough material and it won't be riding up at like an awkward length. I've never worked out in like long sleeve activewear, so I'm excited to try that. But again, I think that both pieces definitely help to accentuate my waist, and I think I will be super comfortable working out in this piece as well. This is the pink ruched sports unitard. Obviously it's in all pink. There is no PLT sports symbol anywhere on this outfit. I think that it's super cute. I like that it's a fun kind of baby pink. And I've actually never worn any kind of unitard or jumpsuit to the gym before, so I'd be interested in trying it out. I will say it is a little bit see-through, and I'm kind of interested how this material will hold up when, you know, you're sweating while you're working out, or, you know, if it will kind of wick away the moisture. So I'd be interested in seeing that. It does have this kind of ruched scrunch back that helps to kind of accentuate your assets, but cute outfit. So if you're brave enough to try this at the gym, then this outfit is for you. This is the Pretty Little Thing Sport High Neck Cutout Back Unitard in black. This one does say PLT Sport across the top, and it has some thicker straps that go over your shoulders. I think I do prefer this in the all black as opposed to the pink that I just tried on. I just think it's sleeker and more on the sporty side. I do like the back detail on this one. It has like two bands that go across the back, so it's a little bit more of an open back. This outfit is less see-through than the last one in pink. I think that this would be more gym appropriate. The fit, it fits great. It does accentuate my waist. I'd say it's a little bit tighter across the back, so that's not as form-fitting as I would like it to be. So it just kind of sticks out from my body. I don't know how else to describe it, but just an easy, fun kind of outfit that you can wear to kind of spice up, you know, your workout gear. And what's great about this one is that it's not see-through like a couple of the other ones have been, so I think that it would be totally appropriate to wear this to the gym and feel super comfortable while wearing it.
Thank you guys so much for watching my PLT Sport haul. Please be sure to comment and let us know which look was your favorite. Links to each of these pieces, as well as a link to Letty's shop, will be in my caption below, so be sure to check that out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that bell button so you can be part of my notification gang. Thank you guys so much for watching.